How to create a website for Pinterest affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step how you can create a website looking nice, simple, just like this, just for your Pinterest affiliate marketing. And it's a step-by-step, easy to follow tutorial. Okay, so when you look top here, you see that we have our menus here. Let me click on the blog. So these are our blog posts. That is how your blog post is going to look like. Okay, and then the services too. This is how your service page is going to look like. You can always customize it how you want it if you don't like it this way as well. And then when you come here to the about, let me click on it. This is how the about page of your website is going to look like. You can always change the looks if you don't want it. Let's go to the contact, and then this is how the contact page, it is going to contain your contact information and everything. Okay, so let's get right into it. I'm having a link of this platform in the video description. Look down there, click on it. It's going to bring you right here, and then you'll be able to get your hosting and domain at a very cheap price. And then it is an affiliate link as well. So if you're in the United States, you can get a free domain and then a WordPress at a very cheap price. If you're not in the United States, simply come here to the domain and then come here to where it says domain name search and select it. Over here, come and then put in the domain name that you prefer. If you don't have any idea about a domain name, I'm having a video in the description down below. Watch it and then get your own domain name. Okay, and then simply come and then click on the search. And then over here, you will see that the domain name is here. Okay, so this is the domain name that I'm selecting. Come and click on add to cart. Okay, so when you click on add to cart, the next thing is to come and then select the WordPress hosting. Okay, and then as you can see, this is how much it's going to cost per month. And then just come and then click on add to cart as well. So we need a domain name and then a web hosting. Okay, so after that, you see that 2 items is selected. Come and click on the checkout. So when you click on it, you are going to see the domain. It comes with an icon fee, okay, which is also some cents. And this is going to be your total amount, but you are not going to pay the whole amount because you are going to use a promo code to reduce the total amount. Okay, so this is going to be the promo code. Put it here and come and click on apply. But before the promo code will be applied to reduce the amount that you are supposed to pay, you have to create an account first. So to create an account, come and click on sign up. So when you click on the sign up, you can create an account. The first thing is to come and then put in your username right here. So you can put in the name you prefer. After that, come and then create a strong password. I recommend you confirm your password. You put in your first name, put in your last name, and then you come and then put in your email address here. Make sure that this is checked to receive newsletters from them. Come and then check the box for them to know that you are not a robot, but you are human. And then come and click on create account and continue. So you'll be brought to your dashboard just like this. When you look at the top right hand corner, you are going to see your cards. Come and then click on view cards. So when you click on view cards, it will bring you right here, and then come and then put in this promo code. Okay, so when you put it here, come and then click on apply, and then the promo code will be applied. So as you can see, coupon code successfully applied, and they are going to adjust the price based on the promo code. So this is the current price that you are going to pay now. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on confirm order. Okay, and over here you have to come and then set your payment details. Okay, your company name, you put it here, the job title, you put it there. Okay, and then when you come down here, your address 1, you can only put in the address 1. The address 2, you can leave it like that. The city, then the province, you put it there as well. You also come and then put in the zip code here. The country, you can come and click on it and then select the country that you are based in currently. Okay, and after that, over here you have to come and then put in your phone number right here. Put in the correct phone number and then come and select your code. Okay, so when you select it, the next thing that you have to do is to simply come here. The first number, it is optional, you don't have to put it there if you don't have one. And then come here. Okay, you are going to see that we have our domain here with the icon fee. We have our WordPress, and then simply come and then click on the continue. Okay, so the next thing is to come and then install WordPress by simply coming here and come and click on install after buying the hosting and domain. Okay, and then come and then set your admin account. Okay, so you put in the admin username that you prefer. That is going to be the name that you are going to use to log into your WordPress, and then the password you can change it and then put in your own custom password. But you can also come and then click on this key to generate a different password for you. Okay, you copy it down and then simply come here to where it says install and come and click on install. So WordPress is going to be installed just like this, and you will see that congratulations, we have successfully installed our WordPress. So over here you are going to get your administrative URL. So as you can see, administrative URL is here. When you click on it, it's going to log in directly to your dashboard. So within the WordPress dashboard, you see that we have our WordPress dashboard here. Come here to where we have the appearance and come and click on the themes. So at the top you are going to see we have themes. Come and click on add theme, and then over here from the popular theme, come and then select the one that is mostly used. Okay, and that is Astra. I've been using it and it is very good. You can come and click on install, but let's preview it first by clicking on preview, and then over here come and click on install. Okay, so as you can see, it is installing. Wait for it to finish installing and then come and click on activate. Okay, so let's click on it, and then over here we have the option to use AI to build a website fast. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come here, come and click on select starter template. So when you click on it, it's going to activate. So wait for it to finish and it's going to bring you right here. Over here you have two types. Okay, so you can build a website directly using the AI website builder. Okay, and then you can also come and then select a starter template, a classic one, by clicking on build with template. But we are going to go with the AI one that is fast. Come and click on build with AI. Okay, so when you click on it, you have to come and then tell them something about your website. You have to come and then put in the name of your website right here, the name that you prefer. So this is going to be the name of the website, and then you have to come and then type in the purpose of the website. Okay, so mine is for business, so I'm going to select business. Okay, and after that simply come and then click on the next. Good. The next thing is that you have to come and then describe your business. Okay, describe it. If you don't have anything in mind, come and then click on write using AI. Okay, the AI, based on your name, the AI is going to describe something for you, but you have to change the location. Okay, so the location the AI will provide, change it and then use your own location, and then you have to also change the established date as well. Okay, after that, all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and then click on the next. So when you click on the next thing is to come and then provide your contact details. Anything that you put here will be visible for audience. Okay, so put in the one that you think they can use, so the email first, and then the phone number that they can use to contact you, and then the business address. Okay, you put it right here. If you have socials, come and then click on the plus icon, and then you can add any of your socials to your website by selecting it. Okay, and then simply come and then click on the next, but I'm going to skip all this by clicking on skip step. And then over here you have to come and then select some free images. It is copyright free images that you can use. So as you can see, it is stating skincare. I'm going to clear it because my niche is based on nails, and then type in nails here. Okay, so when you type in nails, it is going to bring images of nails. Select as many as you can, and then you can see the number of selected images right here. If you don't want any of these and you have your own images, you can simply come in and come and click on upload your images, and then over here you can upload maximum of 20 images. It also has to be within this format, and then the maximum size should be 5 megabytes. Okay, so let me go to selected images, and as you can see, these are my selected images. All that I have to do is come and click on the next now. So the next thing is to come and then choose the design that you prefer. So you can choose any of these designs, but the premium one you have to pay. So we are not going to go with any premium design because we have some that is nice just like this one, and it is totally free. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, so after selecting it, if you have a logo already, let's say you have your own logo, you can come and then click on side logo, upload file here, and then you can upload your logo here. If you don't have it, you can do it later. Okay, and then the color, you can come and then choose the font spell that you want, and then the color too, you can come and then select the color palette that you want, and that is how your website colors are going to be. Okay, and when you come here, you can come and then preview it in the laptop mode, the tablet mode, and then the mobile mode as well. And then when you are not okay, you can also come and then change the design. Okay, but when you are okay, come and then click on the continue. And then over here, you have to come and then select some of the features. Some are automatically selected, like the blog. Okay, the contact form is selected. The e-commerce, you can come and then check it to select it. We also have the automation and integration. You can also select it as well. We also have the page builder. It is automatically selected. The website email. We also have the live chat as well. Okay, so when you are done, simply come in and come and click on start building. But you have to create an account with the AI tool that is going to be used to build a website. So simply come and then click on create account. Okay, so when you click on it, you are going to create a totally free account without paying anything. Okay, and then over here you can come and then click on sign up with Google in one click. You can also put in your email manually by clicking on sign up with email. You put in your email address right here, first name, last name, password, and you click on create account. But I'm simply going to go with sign up with Google in one click. Okay, then you select your email and come and click on continue. And then over here, simply scroll down to the button. Okay, you are going to see we have this says try free plan. Come and click on it. So when you click on it, it is going to connect with your WordPress and it's going to build your website for you in some few minutes. So come and click on start building. And when you click on start building, the AI is going to build your website for you in few minutes. So it is finishing up, and hooray, congratulations on creating your Pinterest affiliate marketing website. Come and click on see your website here, and then this is your pre-built website. Okay, looking nice, simple, and amazing. So the next thing I have to do is to customize it, do some changes, change some letters and all that. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. We have two ways. You can go by this one which says customize. Okay, customize, or you can edit the page. So let's edit the page. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come and then close this, and then let's change the image first. So you can double click on the image that you want to change, and then the blog will be opened. So when you want to change the image, simply come down here to where we have the star. Come and select the star, and then the image will come just like this one. Okay, you can simply come here to where it says change image and click on it. So when you click on it, you can upload your own image if you have your own image, or you can simply come here to the media library and then click on it. You have some images here, so I'm simply going to select this image by clicking on it, and as you can see, it has been selected for us. So this is the image I'm going to use to replace it, and then come and then click on the select. So when you click on the select, the image will be selected for you. Okay, so as you can see, it is here, but you can see that this is blocking the whole image. Okay, so we have to remove it by simply double clicking on it. So when you double click on it, simply come here to the style again. Okay, and then the type, we have two ways. So we have the gradients, and then we have the image. Come and click on the image. So when you click on the image, you will see that you will see the full image just like this one. Okay, so now that you have the full image, come and then click on the save. So when you click on save, it is going to save your changes for you. Okay, and when you look here, you can see that the page has been updated. You can come and click on view page, or you can come here to the top where we have this and then come and click on it to view the page as well. And then you have successfully created your Pinterest affiliate marketing website. Like the video, and then see you in my next video.